Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to AJ's Kitchen. And how are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, in today's recipe we are going to be making nutritious and healthy salad with baked chicken. If you want to see how I make my recipe, keep watching. And guys, if today is your first time of coming to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. To all my amazing, returning, wonderful subscribers, I really do appreciate every one of you. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So guys, let's get cooking. So guys, as our chicken is baking, we are going to be preparing our salad. So as I go along, I'm going to be showing you other vegetables I'm going to be adding into this salad recipe. So guys, don't go nowhere, keep watching. So guys, here is my ginger and garlic. I'm just going to be grating it. So guys, don't go nowhere, keep watching. So guys, my vegetables are well cleaned, and guys, make sure you clean your vegetables before using. So guys, keep watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video and share this video to your families and friends if you find it useful. So guys, please don't go nowhere because we are still going to be adding other more colorful vegetables into this salad bowl. So and guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the red subscribe button and join the family. So guys, keep watching. So guys, at this time I'm going to be adding cauliflower and the broccoli into my salad bowl. Okay, just use any vegetables you have at hand. Okay, these are the vegetables I have in my fridge, and guys, this is a perfect dinner. It's very nutritious and packed with minerals and vitamins. You know, it is full of antioxidants, guys. So guys, don't go nowhere, keep watching. So guys, at this time we are going to be making our salad dressing. Okay, I have my garlic and ginger, so I'm just going to be adding other spices into it. Okay, I'm adding olive oil. Okay, and guys, I'm going to be adding lemon. You can use vinegar as well. And guys, I'm adding salt. This is herbal salt for salad. Okay, I'm adding black pepper. And guys, I'll be adding my lemon juice. So guys, keep watching. So guys, for the chicken dip, we are going to be making natural yogurt sauce. Okay, and we are going to be adding parsley. Okay, you can use basil if you wish, and I'm adding my salad salt, black pepper. Very easy to make. Okay, I'm adding the remaining ginger and garlic. So guys, don't go nowhere, and I'm going to thoroughly mix everything together. So this is a perfect sauce for the chicken. So guys, it is time for us to serve our dinner. Guys, this is a perfect dinner. Okay, it is very nutritious, it is healthy, it is packed with protein, and guys, it is very light as well. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Hit the red subscribe button and join the family. To all my returning wonderful subscribers, thank you for your supporting, thank you for your love. So guys, you all are invited to my dinner table. Guys, bon appetit. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.